Right along the Mediterranean coast lies the beautiful Middle Eastern nation of Lebanon, known for its beautiful coastline, ancient architecture, and symbolic tree in the middle of its flag. Lebanon is rich with history and culture. The capital city, Beirut, has become known as the Paris of the Middle East. According to historians, people began appearing in modern-day Lebanon over 8,000 years ago, and the city of Byblos is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. Now, times have been hard for the people of Lebanon over the years, as they have not been immune to the conflicts that arise in the region all too often, but this is a resilient nation. One thing that makes Lebanon unique is its religious diversity. This has contributed greatly to the significant cultural diversity that exists within Lebanon, and as such, that diversity has found its way into the food. I can't wait to taste the amazing blend of Middle Eastern and Mediterranean flavors that make up this delightful cuisine. Luckily, we will have that opportunity without even needing to board a flight, as we continue our food adventure in Philadelphia with some of those delicious tastes of Lebanon. We've traveled to the Fishtown neighborhood of Philadelphia to cover our second continent on this video, and it is Asia, as we were at Suraya Restaurant to try some of the best Lebanese food here in Philly. Philadelphia has gained something of a reputation for having really good Mediterranean... You guys can go ahead. Yeah, we'll start over. No problem. Philadelphia's gained something of a reputation for having really good Mediterranean food. They have lots of Israeli restaurants, there's some Moroccan restaurants, and this continues that trend. Suraya is some of the best Lebanese food, and tonight we're actually going to have the opportunity to try a tasting menu, which is something I've never done before. I'm very excited. The place is really popular. I can't wait. Let's give it a try. Hello. We might be a little early for it.
Okay, for 2 for 9:30?
Yes.
A seat at our cocktail tables.
Thank you very much. Got it. This is beautiful, isn't it? Look at this.
Look at that.
We got the fire pit here. The farewell cocktail, and 1 glass of the Grillo white wine. Perfect. Thank you. So we got here a little early for our reservation, but they invited us to get a drink in their back garden area, so that's where we are. This is beautiful. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous area to have a drink, and my wife was just commenting that it feels like somewhere in the Caribbean. Thank you. What a beautiful picture that is. Wow. I'm really excited about the fact this is a tasting menu. We're going to do 1 batata hara and 1 fateh. Yep. And baby, what do you want to eat? She's letting me speak for her. She wants the samke al-malo. I'd like to do the kawarma. Perfect, thank you.
We're just hanging out.
Just hanging out. We're here on a trip. We're enjoying. Oh, look at this. Oh. Beautiful presentation. Thank you very much. Well, we've got a plate full, we've got a table full of beautiful, amazing smelling appetizers. We got some baba ganoush over here. Baba ganoush is made with 2 primary ingredients: baked eggplant and tahini. They are combined with garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil to form this delicious Mediterranean spread. A Mediterranean classic, of course. We've got red pepper dip. Mahamara is the name for this fresh red pepper dip. It is made with fresh roasted red peppers, olive oil, walnuts, garlic, chilies, cumin, and pomegranate molasses. This is like a tomato, cucumber, and quinoa salad. Very healthy and fresh tasting. Tabbouleh is the name for this quinoa, tomato, and cucumber salad. Along with the base ingredients, this healthy appetizer is seasoned with parsley, scallion, mint, lemon, and pomegranate molasses. We got some hummus. The world-famous hummus. Simply healthy and delicious, this versatile dip is made with just 2 primary ingredients: soft chickpeas, and tahini. Hummus is often seasoned with olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice to give it some extra flavor. Hummus has become popular all over the world and is often enjoyed with pita, vegetables, and any salty, crunchy snack you want. We got the fresh potatoes. These are seasoned potatoes. I don't know what more to say, but they were indeed delicious. Garlic, olive oil. Amazing. Crunchy as well. We've got the yogurt sauce. Labneh is essentially just yogurt with salt, but it is typically topped with olive oil, mint, and lemon zest. This is fresh pita. Oh, wow. Smells incredible. It's warm. One for me and one for you, my love. Let's get a little baba ganoush. Let's get a little hummus. I'm going to make a little pita paka with everything, I've decided. Well, it is well worth it for this. Let's get a tomato in with it as well. Cheers. Oh, man. That's amazing. Everything is so unbelievably fresh tasting. I can taste the smoky flavor in addition to it. The fresh pita. Literally everything here is clearly made from scratch, with love, with expertise. So we've got our second hot appetizer. This is like a chickpea with eggplant, mince, and cilantro. It tastes almost like baba ganoush with like, it almost tastes like those crunchy noodles you used to get from the Chinese restaurants. That's almost what the crunchy part tastes like. It's really good, especially with the crunchy addition to crunchy pita and the cashews. It's a little creamy, for sure. It's fresh almonds. I forgot to say that. Fresh almonds. Cheers. Delicious. Delicious, huh? Well, our main courses are coming soon. They've cleared the table. My wife is panting like a cat or dog right now, who's too hot. She's pretty full. I'm getting there, but I've got some room. Ooh. Entrees are here. This is the slow roasted lamb. Got like a little cucumber salad on the side and some yogurt and dill sauce. My wife got salmon. Smells amazing. Ooh, that is tender. Cheers. Wow. So tender, so meaty and sweet on the outside. It is so delicious. What do you think? Oh, that's the face of a happy wife right there. Happy wife, happy life, they say. So we decided to order dessert, even though we were both extremely full. And look at that. Something like a hazelnut and blackberry cake. Looks a little custardy. Oh, crunchy feeling. You can taste like you can taste like almost like peanuts. It's delicious. Oh man, what a good dessert. You can taste the hazelnut, you can taste the chocolate, you can taste the berries. It's such a sweet, delicious, fresh dessert. 10 out of 10 meal we've had here. Good stuff.